In this video, we are going to look at 3 stocks based on option flow. Then we are going to look at the fundamental technical algorithmic and artificial intelligence. Based on the information we are going to analyze the stocks. We will be using the Traditix website to identify the 3 stocks. Please use the link below to subscribe to the website. General disclaimer, any opinions provided is general market information for educational and entertainment purposes only and do not constitute as investment advice.
In this video, we're going to look at the options flow for today and then pick 3 stocks which are potential for trading tomorrow. The first stock will be LOW, L-O-W. Second will be COIN. Third will be AMD. Okay, and Tesla has largest flow today. Okay, so now let's look at the stock. First stock will be LOW. We're going to type in LOW, L-O-W. So we have support resistance, so it's at the resistance level here. It's a very bullish setup, but it has reached a new time high. I think definitely it's going to retrace back and come back to the resistance level, sorry, support level, and then go back to resistance level again. Okay, so I don't think it's going to go straight. Okay, so or it may chop around here. So let's look at projection. Projection is upward or sideways, right? I think it's going to do sideways for a little bit. I don't think it's going to go straight up. Okay, now let's look at the AI. AI is basically positive. Let's look at the flow. Flow is bullish, almost 93% calls. Algo is bullish. Okay. So you can see that algo is green. So it was red here and now it's green. Okay. So we can see that 85 million calls and 1.22 million puts. So it's a very bullish, smart money, or people are betting on that it's going to go up. So you can see that there's a lot of open interest at 120, 122, but there's also puts also. You can see there's a lot of huge orders, 2 orders for 125. Stock is at 116, okay, and 140, like that. So there's a lot of bullish. Sorry, it's 121. So 125, 140. So there's a lot of bullish sentiment here. Okay, we are looking at the next stock, AMD, which has a good revenue. Let's look at the technical chart here. Let's draw the support resistance line. So it's approaching the resistance line here. Okay, so let's look at the projection. It's projecting upwards. So I think it's going to hit the resistance line and then come back down. Okay, so now let's look at the AI. AI is negative. Let's look at options flow. Options flow is bullish. Algo is also bullish. And then you can also see that there are 51 million calls and 5 million puts. So it's almost 93% calls. So the stock is at 116. There's a lot of open interest. Dominant strikes are 120, 110, 115, 125. Okay. You can see here there's a lot of green in this area. You can see a lot of very little puts and then a lot of calls. So for 4.6 million, a lot of calls at 120, 110 area. So let's look at sort by orders, 110, 115, 120, 110, that area. Okay. Now let's look at the next stock, is coin. So if you want to play into cryptocurrency, coin is a good stock to play. It doesn't have a So profitable quarter yet. So support resistance line. See, it's basically touching the resistance line here. Okay. So now let's look at AI. So let's look at projections here. So it's also saying sideways because it's already reaching the resistance line. Okay. Now let's look at AI. AI is negative. Let's look at the option flow. Option flow is bullish, 81% calls, and the algo is also bullish. It was bearish here and became bullish. Let's look at the 15-minute, 30-minute, let's say 5-minute chart. It's all the way bullish. The 30-minute chart. Okay, so there is 21 million calls and 4 million puts. Now let's look at dominant strike. The stock is at 293. Okay, but all the dominant strikes are very much lower. So you can see that 300 there is 43 orders, $5.3 million. Somebody is predicting that it's going to go to 300. So the rest of them are lower. So let's look at 510, 450, 340, 320, 300. So a lot of calls, the upper end also. Okay. Now, okay, we are going to look at lows on a shorter time frame. So this is a 1 hour chart, and the CPR is weekly CPR. So you can see that it's ascending CPR. That basically means that it's basically uptrending stock. So you can see 1, 2, 3, right? It's basically 3 of them going up and up. Okay, so now if you see the stock is uptrending from here, if you see that, so it's uptrending from here, and it's always going above the CPR. So right now what's happened is it's again bullish from here, but it's reaching the R1, which is basically that's why the candles are not very bullish here. Okay, so it may pause here for a little bit before it can break through. So we have to wait till it breaks through here, because the distance from here to here is very less. Will not make much money. So you have to wait for the candle to break through here for you to take the trade. Or if you want long term, then just you can take the trade right now and then try to ride it till next week. Okay. So now next stock is AMD. So AMD also is bullish. You can see here today it started bullish here. Okay, it's the same thing here. It crossed R1 and then it's waiting to go to R2. So it's basically slowing down a little bit. Momentum is slowing down. But it already has crossed, the bullish candle has crossed, and this already puts candles up the R1 level. So it's definitely will go to R2. Okay, it's all green all over the place. So this is also 1 hour chart, weekly CPR. Next one is coin. Okay, Coinbase, it's very bullish. CPR is one above the other. Okay, weekly CPR. So today it started with a bullish candle here. So we could have gone bullish here. Now it's basically hesitating at this R1 line. So if the next candle will be bullish, it will definitely go to R2. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and then comment. Thank you.